usual male and female performances seesaws back and forth.
Are you okay?
Oh, man. I just whacked myself in the ear with that fishing pole.
Sorry for laughing, but that's funny.
As we approach the last few pairs, there is one pattern finally emerging. Bro! The men have their noses in front.
The idea that men have better spatial awareness than women might be an over-repeated trope. It has been shown that our brains are wired slightly differently, and men do parse spatial awareness solutions slightly faster than women do. However, that doesn't mean we actually come to the correct solution any more than women do. But time is a factor in our test, and right now, it looks like the men are winning, but only just.
I think that's it. Jamie's gonna love this. Number boy, what did they say?
The numbers are actually quite interesting. Out of a perfect score, the men scored in the 51st percentile. They averaged 51%. The women scored 45%. 6% less than the men.
Is that significant?
If it's at all significant, I'd say it's just by a hair. I think we can call this one that the men are better at packing, but literally by a nose.
Well, I think we might have actually found something more controversial than fuel efficiency.
You mean like us discovering that men are actually better drivers?
But they're definitely not better navigators.
Well, there weren't actually any clear winners to the contest, though.
But there were some distinct differences, and we are far from done testing it. There are an endless amount of cliches and stereotypes that we could get into.
Absolutely. So if you've got some gender difference myths you'd like us to test, send them on in.
Do not try what you're about to